Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by proving authorization. You must be the owner or have explicit IT permission. Once done, collect the Samsung account credentials, device serial or IMEI, and the MDM administrator contact. Make sure the tablet has at least 50% battery and a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Connect the tab to a PC with a known cable if needed, because official tools sometimes require a computer. Do not attempt circumvention. This process is about authentic recovery with proper credentials and support. Next, pursue official recovery. Ask the MDM administrator to remotely unenroll the device or push a reset command. This is the cleanest route and preserves data policy compliance. If the tablet is linked to a Samsung account, use Samsung Find My Mobile to unlock or erase after confirming identity. When IT cannot help remotely, prepare proof of ownership, receipt, company email authorization, or ID, because an authorized Samsung Service Center can reset or remove enterprise. Finally, if remote methods do not resolve the lock, schedule an appointment with an authorized Samsung Service Center and bring proof of purchase and authorization. They have sanctioned tools to remove enterprise enrollment. If you are corporate, escalate to IT to obtain a removal token or formal deprovisioning. If anything goes wrong, stop and contact support. Avoid third-party bypass tools because they often brick devices, void warranties, and can be illegal. Keep logs and communications for accountability and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.